This is our first lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn 4 things. Number 1, Arabic alphabet. Number 2, Harakat. Number 3, difference between Alif and Hamza. And number 4 is words. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما. أما بعد. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, welcome to our course Digital Moulbi LQ course. LQ means Language of the Quran course. This is our first lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn 4 things. Number 1, Arabic alphabet. Number 2, Harakat. Number 3, difference between Alif and Hamza. And number 4 is words. So, let's begin with Arabic alphabet. So there are 2 names for the Arabic alphabet in Arabic language. So number 1 is Huruful Hiza, and number 2 is Hurufe Tahajji. Hurufe Tahajji. These are the 2 names for Arabic alphabet in Arabic language. So we are not going to call Arabic alphabet, we are going to call Huruful Hiza. So let's begin with Huruful Hiza. Okay. Huruful Hiza. I will write down in Arabic. Okay. Huruful Hiza. Huruful Hiza. So before start, I need to tell you that when a person is going to learn a new language, the person must know the alphabet of that language. So we are going to know alphabet. What are the alphabet of the Arabic language? So the Arabic word for alphabet is Huruful Hiza. So let's begin with Huruful Hiza. What are those and how those are pronounced? So let's begin with Arabic alphabet. Arabic alphabet, which is called Huruful Hiza. Okay, Huruful Hiza. These are the hurufs of Arabic language. So these are called huruful hija. So how these are pronounced and what are how many are they? So there are 29 huruf in Arabic language, and how they are pronounced: alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sod, wad, ta, wa, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, nun, waw, ha, hamza, ya. How they are pronounced. Okay. So there are two names for the word the Arabic alphabet. Number one, huruful hija. Number two, hurufe tahajji. So we are going to call huruful hija, not hurufe tahajji. So how many are they? How many are they? There are 29 huruf of Arabic language, and how they are pronounced I have already pronounced it. Okay, so let's begin with next topic, which is harakat. Okay, so this was the first topic, Arabic alphabet. So number 2 is harakat. So what is harakat? Harakat means it is used in Arabic language, okay, with huruf. Okay, so let's begin. What are the harakat? How many harakat are there in Arabic language? There are 3 types of harakat. There are 3 types of harakat. There are 3 types of harakat are there. There are 3 types of harakat in Arabic language. In Arabic language. Number 1, jabar, jer, and pesh. These are also called jabar, also called in Arabic fatha, and jer also called damma. They are also called kasra, and pesh also called damma. Okay, jabar is called fatha, jer is called kasra, and pesh is called damma. Okay, so number 2 is sakun. There are 3 types of sakun. There are 3 ways to write a sakun, like this, and like this, and like this. You will find these sakun in mushaf. Okay, so that's why I have mentioned 3 of them. So sakun. This is the second types of harakat. Number 3 is do jabar, do jer, and do pesh. 2 jabar, 2 jer, 2 pesh. These are called tanween. Tanween. Okay, these are called tanween. So these are the 3 types of harakat. There are 3 types of harakat. Number 1 is jabar, jer, pesh. Number 2 sakun. Number 3 tanween. Okay, so these are the harakat. You can write it down. Okay, so this is all about harakat. Next topic is difference between hamza and alif. Okay, hamza and alif. What is the difference between hamza and alif? Alif and hamza. Okay, alif and hamza. So the difference between alif and hamza, it is alif always be empty. There will not be any harakat with alif. If there is harakat like this, harakat means one of those three types, like this one, Jabar, Jer and Pesh, Sakun, and Tanween. If you find any of these with alif, that is not alif, that is hamza. Okay, so alif always be empty. So let's see an example. Let's see an example, then you will be able to understand what is the difference between alif and hamza. Like ye karo, this is, you also see this is like alif, but this is not alif because it has harakat on of these, Jer harakat, that's why it is not alif, it is hamza. Okay, and this is also has one of these harakat like sakun, that means it is not alif, it is hamza. Okay, so in this word there is no alif in this word, there is hamza in this word. Okay, so and next word is insan. This is insan. So you see this is also alif and also Jer, that means it is not alif, it is hamza. It is nun, nun is sakun, and this is sin, and also this is also alif. This is alif, this is alif, this is alif because it doesn't have any harakat, and all of this has harakat, Jer, sakun, Jer, that means it doesn't have any harakat with it, that's why it is alif. So I hope you understand the difference between alif. Alif always be empty. This zabar has sin, it doesn't have this zabar doesn't have this alif because it is single alif, it is joined with sin. Okay, so that's why it is alif, it is not hamza. So alif always be empty, and when alif has one of this harakat, then it becomes hamza. It doesn't called alif, it becomes hamza. Okay, so alif always be empty, and if one of this harakat come with alif, you see like this, Jer, sakun, Jer, Pesh, anything with alif, that means that is not alif, that is hamza. So I hope you understand what is the difference between alif and hamza. Alif always empty, alif does not have any harakat with it, then it is called alif. If it has any harakat with it, that means it doesn't called alif, it is called hamza. Okay, so I hope you understand the difference between alif and hamza. Okay, so let's look at the number 4 topic is words. So first we will learn how word become as a word. So the combination of huruf plus harakat equal to lafz, which is word. The combination of huruf and harakat becomes word, like this, like ikra. You see ikra, these are harakat, like in ikra you see Zer harakat, Sakun harakat, and Zabar harakat, and Sakun harakat, and plus you see alif, it become hamza because it has harakat, that was it is hamza, it is not alif. Okay, and Qaf and Ra and again alif. When alif is written single, that means it is alif, and when it has harakat, that means it is hamza. In this word it is Hamza, and this I have written here, it is not Hamza, it is Alif. So you can see huruf and harakat, it combined become huruf and harakat, the combination of huruf and harakat become word. This is word. How it becomes a word? The combination of the harakat and huruf, it becomes word. Okay, so I hope you understand how word becomes as a word. The combination of the huruf and harakat becomes word, a word. Okay, becomes word. Okay. So next, what is word? It is the combination of huruf and harakat. That is word. Okay. So what are the types of word? There are two types of word. There are two types of words. There are two types of words. Number one is meaningful. Meaningful words, and number two is meaningless. Words. Number one is meaningful words, and number two is meaningless words. Meaningful words, it means those words has meaning with it. Like for example, Riyadh. It is a word and it has a meaning because it's a name of some person. It is a name of a person. That's why it is a meaningful word. Okay, so it is a meaningful word. And if I write like this, it is also combination of word. Okay, like if I write like ekoro, it is a combination of word and it has meaning. That's why it is a meaningful word. And it is also combination of a word, combination of huruf and harakat, but it is not word because it doesn't have any meanings. That's why it is word. It is like a word, but it doesn't have meaning. That means it is a meaningless word. That's why we are going to learn meaningful word, not meaningless word, because we are going to learn Quran, and in Quran there is nothing in Quran which doesn't have any meaning, which is not have any meaning. Okay, so in Quran every word have meaning with it. So we are going to learn meaningful words, not meaningless word. So in Arabic, the meaningful word is called kalima. The meaningful word is called kalima. In Arabic, the meaningful word is called kalima. Kalima. So the meaningful word is called kalima. So in next video we are going to learn kalima. Types of kalima, what is kalima, types of kalima, and how many are they. So we are going to learn next video what is kalima, about kalima and everything. Okay, next video, second lecture. Okay, so I hope you understand that in first video we have learned what is number one, we have learned Arabic alphabet. There are two names in Arabic. The word alphabet, there are two names for the word alphabet in Arabic. Number one, huruful hiza. Number two, huruf tahajji. So we have learned huruful hiza. Okay, so we have learned how many are they. There are 29. huruf in Arabic language and how they are pronounced. I have already pronounced it, and you have also heard it. So we have learned 4 things: Arabic alphabet, and number 2 is harakat, number 3 is difference between hamza and alif, number 4 is words. So this was our first lecture. If you have any question about this lecture, about anything, just let me ask in the comment section. You can ask me in comment section, and you can direct contact me with my number. You can see on the screen that I have mentioned. That is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me directly, and you can see also email ID. That is also my mail ID and email ID. Both. Okay, you can mail me also. So I hope you understand. If you want to know anything more, just let me know. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I hope this was our first lecture. Okay, so in next lecture we are going to learn kalima. What is the kalima? What are the types of kalima? Okay, so I hope you understand. Wa akhiri dawana walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.